Hi, I am Johurullah VP, third year mechanical engineering student of Government Polytechnic College, Manjeri. First of all, I am welcoming our respected HOD Anup sir, my seminar guide Chandraj Kumar sir, our class tutor Chukur sir, and all other teachers and my dear friends. To this presentation, I am going to tell about electromagnetic class system. These are the content I am going to discuss. Introduction, electromagnetic clutch unit, principle, working, material, applications, advantage and disadvantages, conclusion, reference. Warner Electric designed the first electromagnetic clutch. Function of clutch engage and disengage engine with transmission system. Electromagnetic clutch operate electrically but transmit torque mechanically. That is reason for we also call electromechanical clutch. Compared to ordinary clutch system, magnetic clutch have more speed and easy engagement. Unit of electromagnetic clutch. Anatomy of a clutch. Given is a schematic diagram of electromagnetic clutch. Main parts are given. First is outer pole and coil, friction material, armature, inner pole and rotor. Electromagnetic clutch concept. Electromagnetic clutch is most suitable for remote operation. Since no linkage are required to control its engagement. It has fast, smooth operation. However, because energy dissipates as heat in the electromagnetic actuator, every time the clutch is engaged, there is a risk of overheating. Consequently, the maximum operating temperature of the clutch is limited by the temperature rating of the insulation of the electromagnet. This is a major limitation. Another disadvantage is higher engineering cost. Electromagnetic clutch operates electrically but transmit torque mechanically. This is why they used to be referred to as electromechanical clutch. Principle of electromagnetic clutch. Electromagnetic clutch is simply based on electromagnetism. Magnetic fields are produced due to circulation of electric current in conducting coils. Electromagnetism says that due to circulation of electric current in conducting coils, magnetic fields are produced. Direction of magnetic field can be obtained by right-hand rule. Right-hand thumb rule. Hold a current carrying conductor in right hand, such that let thumb point toward the direction of current. Then wrap the fingers around the conductor, and the finger point the direction of the field, line of magnetic field. That is right hand thumb rule. Electromagnetism. What is an electromagnetism? An electromagnet can be made by sending current through a coil of wire wrapped around an iron core. When current passes through a conductor, magnetic field will be generated around the conductor. Then the conductor becomes a magnet. This phenomenon is called electromagnetism. Since the magnetic is produced electric current, it is called the electromagnet. Working conditions of electromagnetic clutch. DC source voltage supply should be some H clutch rating. Constant or non-floating power supply. Maintains almost constant operating temperature. Working of electromagnetic clutch. The main components of electromagnetic clutch are a coil cell, an armature, rotor, and hub. The armature plate is lined with frictional coating. The coil is placed behind the rotor. When the clutch activates, the electric circuit energizes the coil. It is generated a magnetic field. The rotor portion of clutch gets magnetized. When the magnetic field stretches the air gap between rotor and armature and it pulls the armature toward the rotor. The frictional force generated at the contact surface transfers the torque. Engagement time depends on the strength of magnetic field, inertia, and air gap. When voltage is removed from the coil, the contact is gone. In most designs, a spring is used to hold back the armature to provide an air gap when current is removed. Engagement. When the clutch is required to actuate voltage or current, is pulled applied to the electromagnet, which produces a magnetic field. The rotor portion of the clutch becomes magnetized and sets up a magnetic loop that attracts the armature. The armature is pulled against the rotor and a frictional force is generated at contact. Within a relatively short time, the load is accelerated to match the speed of the rotor, thereby engaging the armature and the output hub of the clutch. In most instances, the rotor is constantly rotating with the input all the time. Risk engagement. When current or voltage is removed from the clutch, the armature is free to turn with the shaft. In most designs, springs hold the armature away from the rotor surface. When power is released, creating a small air gap. Cycling. Cycling is achieved by turning the voltage or current to the electromagnet on and off. Slippage normally occurs only during acceleration. When the clutch is fully engaged, there is no relationship. As the clutch is seized properly and their torque transfer. It is 100% efficient. Material main components in electromagnetic clutch are given. First is coil made of copper. Shell coil made of AISI 1010 steel. Inner air is inside, there is no material. Band also air is inside. Armature made of AISI 1010 steel. Hub made of steel 1018. Air cylinder consisting of air. Rotor made of AISI 1010 steel. Shaft made of steel 1018. Application of electromagnetic clutch. This is mainly used in machinery, automobiles and locomotives. Machinery. This type of clutch is used in application ranging from copy machine to conveyor drive. Other applications include packaging machinery, printing machinery, food processing machinery, and factory automation. Automobiles. When electromagnetic clutch is used in automobiles, there may be a clutch release switch inside the gear lever. The driver operates the switch by holding the gear lever. To change the gear, thus cutting off current to the electromagnet and disengaging the clutch. With this mechanism, there is no need to depress the clutch pedal alternately. The switch may be replaced by a touch sensor or proximity sensor which sends the percentage of the hand near the lever and cut off the current. The advantage of using this type of clutch for automobiles are that complicated linkage are not required to acute the clutch, and the driver needs to apply considerably reduced force to operate the clutch. It is a type of semi-automatic transmission. Locomotive. Electromagnetic clutch have been used on diesel locomotives. Advantage of electromagnetic clutch. Complicated linkage is not required. Compared to ordinary clutch, complicated linkage is not required. Wear and tear is almost eliminated. There is no complicated linkage is wear and tear is almost eliminated. Require less current with no load condition. The load condition very less current is required. It can work on 24-volt DC with low voltage. Disadvantage of electromagnetic clutch. Electromagnetic clutch is risk of high heating dual engagement. Electromagnetic clutch is high initial cost. If the current falls, torque will be decreased. Electromagnetic clutch and charges. Engagement and disengagement are operated electrically. No linkage are required to control its engagement. Easy handle, high torque to size item. Response is fast. It's compared to other class electromagnetic class more fast response. Now we have understood about electromagnetic clutch. It is working, it is main parts, advantage and disadvantage, etc. Electromagnetic clutch is low maintenance. It is mechanically robust. Electromagnetic clutch is requires constant power. Losses associated with slip or hold. These are my reference. Thank you for my class teacher Chukur sir, HOD Anib sir, and my guide Chandrakumar sir, and all the teachers and my dear friends.